to open page number 39 of your math course book. Write date and classwork on this page. Okay, so now we'll start this. So children, we have to read the statement. Fine. So this is your first bit is blank space is there and you have to fill here the correct answer. So now they have asked you dash means finding total count of the object. This total word is there. Dash means finding total count of the objects. So total count means addition, multiplication or subtraction. I have told you whenever this total word is there, in all word is there, all together word is there, what we have to do? Sai Joshi, you tell me, whenever this total word is there, what we have to do? Addition, subtraction or multiplication?
Addition.
Okay, very good. Very good, Sai Joshi. See here children, whenever this total, in all together, these kind of words are there, this means we have to do addition. So your first answer is correct. First one is the right option. So children, put a tick here, and you have to write this answer here in this blank space also. So here write the answer. Addition. What you will write here? You will write here addition. So you have to put a tick here. Okay, first option is the right option and then you have to write the answer here in this blank space also. So answer is addition. Very good. Write this answer fast. Okay. So now your next bit. This is 25 plus 52 equal to how much? See here children, they have asked you if you will add number 25 and 52 together, what you will get. So what we will do here, see children, in your book, space is there. So here we will add these two numbers together. So this is 25 plus 52. Yes, so what we will do, we will write these two numbers here. Okay. So see here children, start writing these two numbers here and we will do addition. So first we will arrange these two numbers in ones and tens form. So your first number is 25. So below this T we will write 2 and that 5 will come in ones place. Then you will write your next number. Your next number is 52. So this 5 will come in tens place and this 2 will come in ones place. Okay. What we are doing here children, we are adding these 25 and 52 because the question is 25 plus 52 equal to how much. So we have to add these two numbers together to find out 25 plus 52 equal to how much. So we are doing this now. Now we'll start adding the number in ones place first. So in ones place, numbers are 5 and 2. Ayan, Puluru, you tell me 5 plus 2 how much?
7.
Very good. So children, 5 plus 2 is 7. So we will write here 7. Yes, and 2 plus 5?
7.
7. So what is the answer?
77.
Yes, very good, Ayan. So children, answer is 7, 7, 70. 7. Answer is 7, 7, 77. So we will put a tick on option C. Option is correct, children. Answer is 77. So we will put a tick here and we will write this answer in this blank space also. So answer is 77. So we will write this answer here. Okay, and you have to put a tick also. Now your third bit, that is bit C. Now the question is, while adding two digit numbers, we add, see here children, question is, while adding two digit numbers, we add, they are telling that whenever we are adding two digit numbers, what we are doing, we are adding ones to tens, tens to ones. Ones to tens means children, we are adding the number in ones place and tens place together. Okay, tens to ones means we are adding number, we are adding the number in tens place and ones place together. Or ones to ones and tens to tens means we are adding the number in ones place to ones place and tens place to tens place. Okay, so which one is correct, we have to find out. I have told you, whenever we are adding two digit numbers or whenever we are adding one digit number, we always start adding the number in ones place first. We always start from adding the number in ones place first. And see here children, in our second bit also we have started adding the number in ones place first. So we have added the number in ones place to ones place. We have added number 5 and 2 together, right? So we have added numbers in ones place to ones place and tens place to tens place. So which option is correct? Janvi, which option is correct then?
Ones to ones and tens to tens.
Very good, Janvi. So children, third option is correct. We will put a tick here. So third option is correct, children. We are adding ones to ones and tens to tens. So we will write this answer in this blank space also. Yes, children, start writing. Ones, two, ones, and tens to tens. This is the correct answer, children. Okay. So answer is ones to ones and tens to tens. Write this answer in this blank space, children. And please write correct spelling. Answer is ones to ones and tens to tens. Yeah. Now your fourth bit. This is when 0 is added to a number, we get the, okay, this I told you earlier also. Whenever you are adding 0 to any number, that number will not change and we are getting that same number back. So whenever we are adding 0 to any number, we are getting the number. Ananya, unmute yourself and tell me, whenever we are adding 0 to any number, we are getting the number. We are getting the same number or any other number?
Number itself. Number itself.
Yeah. Children, we are always getting that same number back, or you can say the number itself. Very good, Ananya. So whenever you are adding 0 to any number, that number will not change. We will get that same number back, or you can say the number itself. So third option is correct. Put a tick here and write this answer in this blank space. Number itself. Number itself. Children, please write correct spelling. This is number itself. Okay. Yes, children, please write correct spelling. And in second bit, you have to show this addition also. You have to show this addition, okay? Yeah. Okay, so I hope till now you all have completed this much work. Now come to page number 41 again, children. Yes, children, open page number 41. Open page number 41, children, and write date and classwork there on page number 41. Yes, Ashrita?
Ma'am,
Yes?
I took 41 page, ma'am.
Huh?
I took 41 page, ma'am.
You took. Ashrita, are you telling that you have opened page number 24, the page number 41?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, that's fine. Yes, children, those who have completed, please open page number 41, write date and classwork there. And now I'm clearing all this. Okay, so now we'll come to page number 41. Now what we have to do here, we have to arrange these numbers in these columns in ones and tens columns. We have to make a ones and tens column, children, and then we have to add these numbers. Okay, what we have to do, again I'll repeat, we have to arrange these given numbers in ones and tens columns, and then we have to add. You all can see here in every bit there are 2-digit numbers. If you will look at your first bit, see here, children, your first bit is 80 plus 15. 80 plus 15 equal to how much? Now they have asked you that if you will add number 18 and 15 together, what you will get. So now what is our first step? Our first step is we have to arrange these numbers vertically. This means in ones and tens column. So what we will do here, children, see here. We will write O here. We will write O here. O stands for ones. Okay, and we will write T here. T stands for tens. Okay, first we will write ones and tens here, and then we will arrange these numbers. So your first number is 8080, so 8 will come in tens place, so we will write 8 here in tens place, and this 0 will come in ones place, so we will write 0 here. Your next number is 1515, so we will write 1 here in tens place and 5 in ones place. Okay, and then beside this one we will put plus sign. We will put plus sign here because we are doing addition, so we will put here plus sign. Okay. So your first step is you have to arrange these given numbers in ones and tens column, and then you have to do addition. So this is 18 plus 15. 18 plus 15. Okay. Sorry, 80 plus 15. Swarnika.
Swarnika, Adi. Chapu. Teacher Aditya.
Yes,
Swarnika?
ma'am.
Yeah, Swarnika, now we will add numbers in ones place first. So tell me 0 plus 5, how much? If you are adding, huh?
5.
Yeah. Children, if you are adding 0 to any number, that we are getting that number back, we will get number itself. So 0 plus 5 is 5, children, very good. And Swarnika, 8 plus 1?
9.
Yeah. Children, 8 plus 1 is 9. So we will write 9 here in tens place. So answer is 9595. Very good, Swarnika. See here, children, answer is 9595. So we will write this 95 in this blank space also. I am writing here. Look where I am writing. So you all have to write this answer here also. So answer is 9595. That's the correct answer. Okay, so now we'll move to next question. Your next question is 37 plus 11.
40.
Fine. So again, we have to arrange these numbers in ones and tens column. So we will write this O first. O stands for ones. And this T stands for tens. Okay. So we'll be arranging these numbers. So 3 will come in tens place. And 7 will come in ones place. Then you will write your next number. Your next number is 11. So we will write 1 here in tens place and 1 here in ones place. And beside this one, we will put plus sign. We will put here plus sign. Okay. So now you have to add the number in ones place first. Brinda, you tell me 7 plus 1 how much?
4 fingers. 5 after.
Brinda? Brinda.
Yes, ma'am.
Yeah, Brinda, tell me 7 plus 1 how much?
7 plus 1.
After 7 count 1. Yeah. 7 plus 1 is 8, children. So we will write 8 here in ones place. And 3 plus 1 how much, Brinda? Brinda, after 3 count 1. Yes, I'm waiting. Huh?
4.
Yeah, that's the correct answer. Children, 3 plus 1 is 4. So we will write 4 here in tens place. Very good, Brinda. So answer is 4848 and we have to write this answer in this blank space also. So we are writing here 4848. That's the correct answer. Okay, so now next. Next question. Bhanu, read next question. Third bit. Read that question.
71.
71. Read that sign. Which sign? After 71, plus or minus?
16.
Huh?
16.
Again, now read that question all together.
16.
So this is 71
16.
plus,
Plus 16.
yeah. Children, you have to read that symbol also. This is 71 plus 16. Okay, now that's fine. So first we will arrange these two numbers in ones and tens form. So children, this O, again I'm repeating, this O stands for ones and T stands for tens. So here we will write this 7 in tens place and 1 in ones place, and your next number is 16. So we will write this 1 in tens place and 6 in ones place. And you all know how to find out which number is in ones place and which number is in tens place. We did this in theme 1, right? Okay, so now Bhanu, tell me 1 plus 6 how much?
7.
Yeah. Children, 1 plus 6 is 7. Right, very good. And 7 plus 1?
8.
Yeah, very good, Bhanu. See here, children, 7 plus 1 is 8. So after 7, you have to count 1 forward. So 7 plus 1 is 8. So answer is 8, 7, 87. So you have to write that answer in that blank space also. So answer is 8, 7, 87. That's the correct answer. Rohit Chaudhary, you read next question. Big D. Yes, read the question.
5.
Yes. Yeah, 53.
And
No, read that symbol. 53
plus
plus.
43.
Yeah, so this is 53 plus 40.
3.
Yeah, so this is 53 plus 43. Okay, very good. So we will arrange these two numbers in ones and tens column. Okay, so we will write this 5 in tens column and 3 in ones column.
Right. Right down.
And your next number is 43. So we will write that 4 in tens column.
53 का ना 43 53.
And then we will write that 3 in ones column.
Right बाबा मला आन्सर अडवतो.
Yes, Rohit. So now we will add number in ones place. Rohit, so now you tell me 3 plus 3 how much?
6.
Yes, so children, we will write 6 here in ones place. And 5 plus 4? Uh,
8.
No.
wrong. Rohit, start counting after 5 and count forward 4. So 5 after 5. You have to start counting after 5 and count forward 4.
Count जे 4 fingers count जे 5 रहा था.
6.
Yeah.
7.
Then?
8. 9.
Yeah. So answer is?
9.
Yeah. So answer 5 plus 4 is 9. That's correct. So answer is, now read this number, Rohit. This is?
96.
Very good. So answer is 96 children. So we will write this answer in this blank space also. So this is 96. Okay, so now we'll move to next bit. Okay. Next question, that is bit E. Yes. Next one. Hanvit, read next question, Hanvit.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, Hanvit, now read bit E. Read that question.
81.
81 plus 12.
Yeah, so now question is 81 plus 12. Very good, Hanvit. So we will first write these numbers in ones and tens form. Okay. So this O stands for ones and T stands for tens. So we will write this 8 in tens column and 1 in ones column. Then next one is 12. So we will write this 1 in tens column and this 2 in ones column, and we will put plus sign here. Yeah, Hanvit. So now tell me 1 plus 2 how much? 1 plus 2? After 1, count forward 2, Hanvit.
After 1 count 2.
After 1, count forward 2, Hanvit.
3.
Yeah. 1 plus 2 is 3. So we will write 3 here. And 8 plus 1? After 8, count 1. Count 1.
9.
Yeah.
9.
Yeah. 8 plus 1 is 9. So answer is?
93.
Yeah. So answer is 9393. So we will write this answer here in this space. Answer is 9393 children. Suryansh, you read next question. Bit F. Suryansh, read that question. Bit F. Huh?
32.
No. Bit F. 21.
Plus 35.
Yeah, so this is 21 plus 35. So we will arrange these two numbers in ones and tens column. Okay, so we'll start arranging them. So 2, 1, 21. So this 2 will come in tens place and this 1 will come in ones place. Your next number is 3, 5, 35. So this 3 will come in tens place and 5 will come in ones place. And we will put plus sign beside this 3. Yeah. Suryansh, now you tell me 1 plus 5, how much? After 1, count forward 5. 1 plus 5 is? Ashrita, sit down.
6.
Yeah. 1 plus 5 is 6. And 2 plus 3? Start counting after 2 and count forward 3. 2 plus 3?
5.
Yeah. 2 plus 3 is 5. So answer is? Suryansh, read this number together. 5, 6.
5, 6.
5, 6. How you will read this number? 5, 6?
56.
Yeah. So this is 5, 6, 56. Answer is 5, 6, 56. Very good, Suryansh.
Thank you.
You're welcome. Yes, children. Okay. So I hope till now you all have completed this much work. We will do remaining 3 bits. Okay. So I'll clear all this now. So last 3 bits. We will do that. Sai Ritvik, you read next question. Bit G, quickly. Sai Ritvik.
What, ma'am?
Yeah, Sai Ritvik, please read bit number G. G for goat.
2, 7, 27.
27, then
Plus
plus.
61.
Yeah, so this is 27 plus 61. Okay. So now what we will do, we will arrange them in ones and tens column, children. So 2 will come in tens place and 7 will come in ones place. Then we will write 61. So this 6 will come in tens place and 1 will come in ones place. And we will put plus sign beside this 6. Sai Ritvik, now tell me 7 plus 1 how much? Sai Ritvik, unmute yourself and tell me 7 plus 1 how much? Yeah, Sai Ritvik, 7 plus 1? After 7, count 1. Count forward 1. Yeah, so 7 plus 1 is 8. So we will write 8 here. And 2 plus 6? Yeah, 2 plus 6 is also 8. So answer is?
8, 8, 88.
Answer is 8, 8.
88.
Yeah, that's the correct answer. Answer is 8, 8, 88. Very good, Sai Ritvik. Very good. That's the correct answer. Tanvisri, you read next question.
Yes. Yes, ma'am.
Yeah, read next question, bit H.
30 plus 55.
So this is 30 plus 50?
5.
Very good. So we will arrange these numbers in ones and tens form, children. Okay. So we will write this 3 in tens column and 0 in ones column. Then we will write this 5 in in tens column and then another 5 in ones column, and we will put plus sign beside this 5. Okay. Now Tanvisri, tell me 0 plus 5 how much?
5.
Yeah. 0 plus 5 is 5 children. So we will write 5 here in ones place. And 3 plus 5?
8.
Yeah. 3 plus 5 is 8 children. So we will write 8 here in tens place. So answer is?
85.
Answer is 8, 5, 85. Okay. And this is not 8, Tanvishree. You should pronounce it 8. Okay. It is 8.
Okay, ma'am.
Yeah. That's 8. So answer is 8, 5, 85 children. Answer is 8, 5, 85. Now last bit. Vihan, you unmute yourself, Vihan. Vihan, unmute yourself. Vihan, are you there? Vihan, unmute yourself. Not listening. Okay. Ashita, you read next question. Ashita.
41 plus 32.
Yeah, so your this last question is 41 plus 32. Yeah. So we will arrange these numbers in ones and tens column, children. So we will write 4 in tens place and 1 in ones place. And next number is 32. So we will write 3 here in tens place and then 2 in ones place. Okay. And we will put plus sign beside this 3. Yeah. Ashita, now tell me 1 plus 2 how much?
3.
Very good. Children, 1 plus 2 is 3. Very good, Ashrita. And 4 plus 3? Start counting after 4 and count forward 3, Ashrita. 4 plus 3?
7.
4 plus 3 is 7, children. So answer is, Ashita, read this number. Answer is?
73.
Yeah. Answer is 73, children. So we will write this answer here in this blank space. Very good, Ashrita. So answer is 73, children. Okay, write this answer in your course book, children, fast. And this is all for today.